Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great and welcome to devtechie.com. And in this video course, we are going to be building this elegant clock in SwiftUI and iOS 26. You build this full clock interface step by step, and we'll follow MVVM design pattern and a clean modular architecture, meaning your code stays organized, scalable, and easy to maintain, just like any real world. You'll build, in this course, you'll build your custom hour, minute markers, reusable components, build both digital and analog versions of the clock. You'll build Roman numeral based numbers for hours and digits, like 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 12. You learn how to animate between different time ticks. You also learn how to basically support time zones. So your app can animate into different time zones as easy as possible. And all this we're gonna build from scratch. So while building this, you're not only designing an elegant UI, but you're also learning about best practices in SwiftUI development, like separating concerns with MVVM, structuring your project for reusable modules, and the full source code is included, just like always. Now, not only we're going to be building some of the components that are created in SwiftUI, but we're going to be leveraging iOS 26 as well to create this beautiful looking class UI. We are also going to support the mesh gradient to cast this light kind of effect. And you can choose your own color. You can set your own color and set the theme for your clock. So when you're ready, please join me in this course and we'll build this clock interface completely from scratch, entirely in SwiftUI. We have a special offer for our YouTube subscribers. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving out 20 copies of this video course at 50% discount. So what you got to do is you got to find the link in the description below, and that'll give you 50% off of the market retail price. Now, once you click on that link, you're going to land on this page where you should see basically the course's original value and your discount. Now, once again, this is for limited number of people, so get your copy right away. This course basically includes everything. It includes all the videos and a detailed walkthrough of how we're going to be building this together, and also source code. So if you get stuck, you can download the source code and just reference it to correct what you've been correct your course and continue to build your app. Okay, all right, so don't wait too long and go ahead and sign up. I'll see you guys in the course. Thank you.